Hi guys, welcome back. Dr. Heather Brown. I have some exciting news. So I posted a video just the other day about unexpected kindness from strangers. And someone who knows me very well chose to create a video for me because he knows that I love blowing dandelions and making wishes. And so he did it. And guess what happened? You'll have to watch and see. Isn't that awesome? In wanting to bless me, because I encouraged you all to bless someone, he blessed some other people, and then he got blessed, and then he shared it with me, so I got blessed, and I'm sharing it with you, and I hope all of you get blessed. This is how it works, guys. In wanting to bless someone, we get to bless tons and tons of people. Now, what if we keep this going? What if we keep sharing what blesses and blesses and blesses and blesses and blesses? We can be called the 7-Eleven Club or the Dandelion Club. I'd love to build some sort of amazing experience that goes all around where everyone is doing blessing beyond and blessing beyond and blessing beyond. I hope you got as big a kick out of this as I did. Feel free to like, share it with whomever you want, and keep on blessing. See you soon.